a look at this video with me, and I can assure you there is a space and a place for everyone. Life is how you make it. We often hear that big cities are concrete jungle where greenery is sparse and serenity feels different. But as we journey into the suburban areas, a different world unfolds. Take a moment to look at the homes nested away from the hustle and bustle of the metropolitan rush. Here, in these quiet neighborhoods, the air feels lighter, the surroundings more scenic. There is a calmness that washes over you, a comforting, almost healing atmosphere that reminds you what peace can look like. Enjoy.